We organized a dynamic startup community, connected ourselves to local and global startup ecosystems. We created pitch decks for our ideas, recruited volunteers, and sold early versions of our product, while organizing networking events, giving commitments to raise a fund for our community's ideas. Let's celebrate all the work we have done and the power of our community at our Startup Showcase event. Time to award and celebrate vital startup community members and listen to the next great idea and vote for our favorite pitch. Give special thanks to all your startup community members for creating fertile ground for startup success.